ROP means many things to me.
To me, ROP is
opportunity,
exciting,
innovative,
exploration,
impactful,
and hope.
In essence, Coastline ROP provides career technical education, also known as CTE classes, across school districts in Orange County. But more than that, it is a place where students can find their futures.
So for instance, on this campus, we teach firefighting technology, emergency medical response, emergency medical technician, dental, nursing, and then animal health care. But we also have classes like broadcast and television. We have digital media arts. We do a lot of culinary classes. At most of our high schools, we teach some classes of sports medicine.
We bring industry sometimes in their classroom, sometimes we take them from industry and from the classroom into the industry.
I think that's where the real learning happens, is when students can take what they've learned in the classroom and then apply that in a real world situation.
And they have the ability to be flexible and adapt and innovative and really stay on track with the demands of the workforce and the economy.
It's giving you options to use career, college, mix them together, take them apart.
Which allows them to become aware of careers, explore careers.
I think the best opportunity is to just try something out and to see if you really like it.
Unlike some people in high school, I had no idea what I wanted to do, and I think it's great for people to get a chance to explore their very many interests.
And find things that they didn't even know would interest them and go for it.
It's very motivating for students to figure out what they like to do and be able to go for it as soon as they can, and I think this helps people make that a reality a little bit sooner.
And it's not just the hands-on work experience or easy access to industry that sets ROP apart, but it's passionate and invested teachers.
For me personally, I love the fact that every morning when I get up, I know I'm going to work for an organization that's making a difference in the lives of students.
These ROP classes are always taught by industry professionals that are now in the classroom because they have their real hands-on experience themselves, and so they can make sure the students are aware of what's going on.
I teach not just hands-on projects, but I'm teaching about what's soft skills, being on time at work, what is work ethic, what is passion for the job.
The work that we do trickles down and impacts students, and it helps them to become the best version that they can be.
We have a real responsibility to our community, and I love that we are helping with that.
I was an ROP student, and I think that the value of being able to explore careers in a hands-on, integrated way that the ROP offers is beyond what any student can imagine until they experience it for themselves.
It's really exciting to watch when students have an aha moment or present.
Walking into a class and seeing what you're doing and recognizing the impact that our classes have, that's all the reason that I need.
And so, one class at a time, Coastline ROP is helping dreams become careers.